Have you been thinking you don't have all it takes to make oxtail, but you're craving for one? This is a very simple, detailed, full of bone oxtail recipe. I hope you enjoy watching. The main ingredients for the day is our fresh oxtail. I've gone ahead to thoroughly clean mine behind the camera to save time. You can use salt, you can use vinegar or lemon to clean yours, okay? Now, I will season with some amount of cracked or blended black pepper, okay, which is very important. That will give it an amazing flavor. And then I will go in with some vegetable powder. I will go in with some Dijon mustard. Again, I went in with some oyster spices, and then I will add in small amount of salt. Lastly, bring in some amount of vegetable oil or sunflower oil, sorry. So you want to generously marinate all that. Let it stay overnight or at least 2 hours before cooking time. Now, after about 2 hours, it's time to pan fry our oyster. But first, let me use this time to say a very big thank you for still watching. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. And you also want to do me well to check out my channel for more recipe. Guys, you will love it here. So subscribe and also remember to hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. Now, this is what I did on this on this recipe, trying to bring two continent tastes together, the intercontinental taste and the continental taste. Okay, I'm married to an Austrian man that makes me often prepare continental meal. Why I also want to have that taste of my motherland, that taste that I feel like my followers will also love. And I hope you really like this recipe. It is very simple, it's not complicated. There is nothing extra here, but the taste is going to wow you if you try this recipe out. Now, after pan roasting my oyster or pan grilling your oyster, I will go ahead and add in some onion, generously roast all that together until fragrance, and then I will go in with some pressed garlic. I promise you this. This is the only work here, standing by and pan roasting your oyster. Like it's everything you have to do for this recipe. So take your time and do that. If yours is over splashing, get your splatter guard and cover. Mine didn't do so, maybe because of the pan and the oyster was not too wet. Okay. So if you achieve that, add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Roast that, prevent from getting burnt. Tomato paste can get bitter if it's burnt. Now I will go in with some flavored barbecue sauce, okay? Flavored smoky barbecue sauce. Don't skip that. Don't, if you skip any other thing, don't skip the flavor. This is going somewhere. Like I said, we are bringing two continent flavor together, okay? So just add that and then add your chopped tomato paste. If you had your chopped tomato paste, you want to go in with enough water or broth, add in some bay leaf and some vegetable powder or vegetable bouillon, whatever you have to flavor your meal. Now you want to cover up and let it cook. My question here is, are you still sticking around with me? If yes, thank you so much for doing so. You are the best. Now, liking this video won't cost you a thing. Please go ahead and like. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Now, you have a reason to subscribe. You know why? Check out my channel so you can see the reason why you have to stick by to this channel. Okay, you have nothing to lose. Liking this video, subscribing for more. You have nothing to lose. Remember to hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. You want to often check up on your stew to see if there is any adjustment, like adding more liquid. If not, you will continue to cook until you achieve what you see on the screen. Now, this has drastically reduced. Compare the beginning of the stew to this time. It has reduced a lot in size. That shows you need to skip any adding of salt. I only season with 1 teaspoon of salt to marinate my oystay at the beginning. If not, no salt. The longer it cooks, the intensiver the taste, the natural taste is going to get more intensive. If you over season with salt, it will be salty. So skip that. Now, this is what I mean by falling off the bone. If this were to be cold, I will smash this with my hands so that you can see what I mean. Now, in the kitchen brigade, there are people that are in charge of just making stew or sauce. It is called saucier. I think I would have been a saucier because if I want to make sauce or stew, I know where I'm heading to and I know what I want to achieve. And that is what I will get. Like sauce, if you know me, and sauce, I love sauce. Okay, okay, joke apart. Now I paired with some basmati rice and roasted butternut squash. Like guys, the roasted butternut squash tasted so good. The combination was just amazing. Now I have achieved my goal. I've achieved the continental and intercontinental taste in one pot. Like I hope I enjoyed every bit of this meal and I hope you do enjoy it too, trying it out. Thank you so much for still watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your loved one, leave your opinion in the comment section. See you all in my next one, guys. Thank you. Bye for now.